Hello friends, welcome to this channel. In this video I am giving the configuration of AND gate. See here, this is the circuit configuration of AND gate. D1 and D2 are two diodes connected here, and 5 volt DC supply is given to this diodes through 100 ohm resistor, and output voltages is from here, and input voltages are given here and B, which can be varied from 0 to 5 voltage here also. Then both A and B are zeros. Both A and B are zeros. The diodes D1 and D2 are forward biased because the anode voltage 5 voltage is given here. Then output voltage is the ground voltage. Through this path there is 0 voltage appear here. Then A equals 0 and B equals 5. A equals 0 and B equals 5. When B equals 5, this diode is reverse biased, and this A equals 0, this is forward biased. So the current passes through around this path. The output voltage here also, the ground voltage. So 0 voltage. When A equals 0 and B equals 5. A equals 0 and B equals 5. This is A equals 5, B equals 0. A equals 5, this is reverse biased, this is forward biased. So the output voltage is ground voltage, 0 appear here. When both A and B are 5 voltages, both these diodes are reverse biased. So no current passes through these diodes and through this resistor. So the output voltage is only the DC voltage appear here. So 5 voltage. Then the logic level truth table will be this: 0 for 0 level and 1 for high level 5 voltages. So you get truth table. This is AND gate circuit. 0 into 0, 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 0, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1. This is AND gate circuit. Thank you.